Alright. Hey, TechSavvvvy, and today, here unboxing video. You know what's in here? I have an idea. As long as other RAM for that, a Mini-Dvi or HDMI key over that, or it's a hardware adapter for this. I'll tell you. I think it's the cable for this, the adapter cable. Yeah, let's find out, shall we? 100 years is freaking awesome. Gonna add it in. Okay, good. That's it. I need you guys to use my cable. Let's try it out, I guess. Unboxing video. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, forget it. Alright, here it is. Let's go ahead and untwist these. I could have just done it off camera. What's the fun in that, eh? Keep one of these tomorrow as well. No, not one of these tomorrow, but the package tomorrow. That push the thing, not my freaking hand. Yeah. Let's try it out. Yeah, what the heck is that? Whatever. Anyhow. Okay, I'll show the cord on your freaking arm. Okay, that's how it works. And this, here. Under here. Uh-oh. Right, that's right. Everything. I didn't really do it facing. I thought it should be. Okay, yeah. Alright. I don't think it's it. No, sorry. I'll plug a cable in there. And we'll try it out. Try it out. Come on, TV. 3, 2, 1. That's right. Just to get the fire up, so hold on. 3, 2. Power up. Yeah. It's kind of working. Well, it's got input extra. Might be just doing dual display rather than single display. Unfortunately. Let's give it a moment here. Definitely working though. Oh, it's changing. Change again, very current. Calling this Christmas black curtains. No. Oh, it's not part of it. Okay, it's not getting the dock and stuff. Put it on the site display rather than the mirror. So, that usually is in this case. Let's see. I've heard this. These kept it working perfectly. Appearance. Display, there we go. Come on. Type displays. Show displays menu room. And oh, there it is. Mirror. Now we'll get it. There we go. Alright. Took it a moment, but there we go, you guys. Ha 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 ha. A nice 40-inch TV. You got the cable to work. A little prefer the here. Stand back. You got my OG put on there. That was on the big frame. Whoa. I wasn't going to be touched for just so you guys know. Oh, and my hair, I usually like to down there. That point makes my feel so fit in that. So yeah, alright. So now we got this camera working. I think someone unbox it. Not too hard actually. So alright. Thanks for listening, guys. Take it easy.